Hi. So I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to function notations. A lot of times I've seen my students see something like this, f of x equals 2x plus 1. Maybe on the SAT or maybe in class, and they're like, oh my goodness, this is not good. I see functions, I hate functions, I can't deal with functions. And I am here to tell you that it's actually not that bad. Actually, in fact, whenever you see this f of x, you can completely just replace it with y. So this equation is really just saying 2x plus y. 2x plus 1. So for example, if you were asked to sketch the function f of x equals 2x plus 1. You're really just being asked to sketch a regular line, y equals mx plus b. So if you know how to do that, great. If you don't, well, maybe you need to watch another video. I'll do it really quickly so you can see here. So that would be your y-intercept. I can't spell intercept today. That's fun. All right, and that would be your slope. So you would start off at your y-intercept at 1 here, and you'd rise 2 over 1 because the slope is 2, and then you just draw a line. It's really the same thing that you've been doing probably for a while. Alright, so there is a big old siren outside, so I'll just ignore it. Okay, now, well, can that be everything there is to functions? Well, no, there's some more to functions, but that's really the basic thing. If you saw something like, for example, h of t, which comes up in physics, for example, what's the height after a certain amount of time? Well, again, you could just look at that whole thing as y. H of t or y is equal to, let's say it was, I don't know, just going to write something random here, 5t squared. So really, it's just y equals 5t squared. Alright, so there's a little bit more to this that I want to show you in this video. So let's turn the page. Okay, so this example here can seem a little bit daunting if you don't know what it's asking or if you don't really understand the notation. Once you understand the notation, you'll wonder how you could have ever not known this. Alright, so again, whenever we see that whole f of x thing, what do we think of it as? We just think of it as y. But what about the fact that there is something in here? Like, what is that x? Well, it's kind of obvious. The x is actually x. Go figure. So the little x inside the f of x is just x, while the overall f of x is y. What am I talking about, you are asking yourself? Well, let's make that clear right now. So we have f of x equals 2x minus 1. The relationship between y and x is this. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. So they're asking, when they say to you, what is f of 3? They're asking overall, what is y? Because remember, this whole thing is y. So what is y when x is, you probably guessed it, x is that little thing there. So when x is 3. So they're really asking you, what is y when x is 3? So we have here, again, that y is 2x minus 1. And we can now just plug in that x value of 3, and we get that y is equal to 2 times 3 minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, which 6 minus 1 is 5. And that's really how you attack this problem. So really and truly, once you get through that notation block, functions, not so bad.